Hey guys, my name is Nazi, and in this video we will learn how to use ComKit. So let's first understand what is ComKit. ComKit is a UI library for web3 and it's built on top of VM. ComKit provides you with mainly two types of components, ready to use components and other one is compound components. Ready to use components are, as the name suggests, are ready to use. You can just import it and get all the functionality. On the other side, compound components are fully customizable components. You can choose what components or what elements you want out of that component. And apart from some components, ComKit also provides us with some hooks which are useful for wallet connection and to interact with the dApp. So yeah, let's get started. Firstly, let's follow the docs we have. So for that, this is some overview of what ComKit is and what its vision. So we are not gonna dive in that right now. So let's straightforward jump to getting started. So this is the command we have to run to install few of the libraries. So for that, let's create a new project. I'm gonna be creating a new next step and I'm gonna be giving the demo. Let's go with all the default options. Let's wait for it to get installed and then we will move forward. Meanwhile, let me open this in our VS Code. Here we go. So let's so this is the Next.js 13, which is the latest version of Next. So as we have some of our repository initiated, so let's run this command to install the libraries. We already have over here. Just run this command, and meanwhile, this command gets executed. Uh, let's configure some of the things as a prerequisites we have over here. So for that, let's head over to the layout.tsx file. Here we have layout.tsx file and just copy the content from here. Here we go. It is showing me an error because it has not yet finished installing. So it will go away once it has been finished. And so basically what we are doing over here, we are initiating kit provider, which is from the ComKit library, and it is the wrapper which you have to uh, wrap your app around. And also we have to like pass over here the project ID, which is going to be the project ID from Wallet Connect. And here, as supported chains, we have to pass an array of all the chains that we want our app to be supported with. So over here, I am passing mainnet, Polygon, and Arbiter. So our app is going to be supporting these three networks. And just note that these networks are imported from VM, and they are not like the static names. So let's add a project ID from Wallet Connect. Let me grab mine real quick over here. Here we go. And yeah, that's all we have to do as a prerequisite. VM provides us with two clients, public client and wallet clients. So public client basically uh, allows us to like execute all the public functions from our wallet. Like let's say to get balance of any account, and let's say I want to like get the latest block number. All such things we can do using a public client, and wallet actions like let's say signing a message or signing a transaction. All such things can be executed using a wallet client. So yeah, let's get a public client for that. Uh, Getting public client is really simple. You just have to import use public client from ComKit, and it will give you public client. And similarly, uh, in Comkit we have clients for each of the chains that we are supporting. So for accessing each of the chains, you can access it this way. So let's just copy and paste it in our page.tsx file. What happened to it? Yeah, over here. Here we go. And this is the public client for mainnet. And if we change, let's say polygon.name, then it would be public client for Polygon, and likewise every other chain. So yeah, let's get started, and let's start by connecting our wallet to our website and switching chains. So let's head over to documentation, and yeah, you can also get a wallet client using similar method, wallet client, and let's import it from here. Here we go. And yeah, let's connect our website with using our wallet. So ComKit basically provides you with two types of components, ready-made components and compound components. Ready-made components are, as it shows on itself, are pretty ready to use, and you can just use it uh, as it is in your app directory or in your application. On the contrary, compound components are fully customizable components that you can customize and use it as your own convenience. So yeah, let's use each of them and see how it goes. So let's go start with the ready-made components. First, we will be just adding connect button to our website. So here we go, and import connect button from here. Yeah, let's start our server real quick, and let's wait for it to get started. I have already my account connected, so it didn't prompt me. So first let's disconnect it and also disconnect it from here. Disconnect. Here we go. Let's reload it once. And yeah, right now we don't have explicitly supported Rainbow wallet, but even if you click on MetaMask, it will open Rainbow. So let's connect to localhost 3000. And as you can see, we are on mainnet. Uh, so it is showing a balance for mainnet. So let's try switching networks. And for that, I will be adding the switch network. As you can see, it is really a ready-made component. You just have to import switch networks from the library and it will give you all the functionalities. Oops. Let's import it and say, here we go. And also let's style a bit. Yeah, we do have tailwind diodes, I guess, and flags, column, and here we go. Let's remove this and add a bit of margin on the top. Yeah, and also a bit of gap. Perfect. So yeah, and let's try switching the chain. As we have mentioned here that we are supporting three chains: mainnet, Polygon, and Arbitrum. So it will only show these three chains over here. So let's try switching to like Arbitrum. Yeah, you can see the rainbow wallet pop up that now the network is Arbitrum. Yeah, and as you can see, like it has my balance is showing like 0.0 because I don't have any if on Arbitrum. Let's change to Polygon. See, it changed to Matic, and again, I don't have anything on Matic. Uh, yeah, Here we go. On Ethereum, it is again showing 0.12 ETH. So as you can see, it's really simple, really handy and ready to use. And also, if there is an ENS registered on your address, then instead of the address, it will show you the ENS. Otherwise, it will just show you the address. Now, as we have seen ready-made components, let's see some of the compound components. For that, I'm gonna be creating a new route, compound slash page.tsx, and just copy and paste some of the code from here. Uh, Hope it is better now. So similar like ready-made components, we have two compound components, connect button and speech network. If you will see here, we have two things, connect button and connect button with disconnect. So in this, you will only get connect button. Let's say if your wallet is already connected, it won't show you any connected address or disconnect button. It will only show you connect button even if your wallet is connected. As I have already mentioned, it is completely customizable, and you have to basically add all the conditions on your own. You will get just the skeleton from the library. So let's straightforward go with the connect button with disconnect. So just copy the code from here and let's paste it in this. So yeah, as you can see, here I am using one of the hooks from the library called use account. We will come back to it later when we will discuss the hook section. But here you can see that I'm checking the condition is connected, which signifies that if the wallet is connected or not, and if there is an address, then it will show you connected address is this one, and it will show button to disconnect wallet, and if it is not connected, then it will just show uh, the connect button. Again, this is completely customizable. Even if you don't want MetaMask in your modal, then you can just comment it down or remove it, and it will just won't visible in your UI. So let's save it and see what it has to offer us. Compound. Here we go. Also, let's add a bit of styling to it. Mm, and also full term center. Perfect. So as we already have this wallet connected over, so let's first disconnect. And as you can see, it is now showing compound connect button. You can change its label over here. You can see we are yeah, giving the label over here. If we just want connect button, then it will just show connect button. And let's say custom connect button, it will change to that. Now let's click it. Also, this is completely customizable. You can change its styling. Right now it is closing, it's getting closed by clicking the backdrop. If we don't want that, then we just uh, make it make this value false. Close on click overlay, and it won't get close anymore unless you click this cross button. Also, this label, this whole buttons are completely customizable. You can give styling according to your preference. Or also the close button. You can also style close button as per your preference. So as you can see, it is completely customizable, and you can style it as uh, as per as per your need. So yeah, let's click on MetaMask. Here we go. It is connected. And not only you can connect this MetaMask, you can also connect all the other options we have with Wallet Connect. It takes a bit of time. Here we go. You can scan this code using your phone or any of your wallet, and your uh, wallet will be connected to the website. Cool. So, as we have discussed, Compound Connect wallet. Let's move forward to Switch network. Now, just like Compound Connect button, Switch network is also completely customizable. So again, let's copy this and just paste it in this component only and import it. Here we go. Import it from VM and also over here. This should be, yeah, perfect. So as you can see, like over here we have uh, switch network drop down complete white background and with pretty classic styling, but here we have completely custom. Yeah, this red looks a bit of awful, so let's change that. Where I'm going over red, let's change it to something yellow. As you can see, it has changed to yellow. You can also change all the styling of other components or other items. And again, let's change network. It changed. So likewise, you can customize all the other things as well, like background, border, and text color and stuff like that. So that is how you can customize switch network dropdown as well. Now, as we have discussed component, let's move forward towards the hooks. Basically, supports six hooks, out of which three of them are for the ENS, and other three of them are use account, which gives you account status like is it connected or not, then connected address and other stuffs like that. And another one is use chain, which gives you current chain. Third one is use balance, which gives you the balance of whatever address you pass to it. So yeah, let's get started with use account. And for that, let's create a new route, hooks. Oops. And as you can see, uh, you can import use account from the library and you can get address and disconnected values from this hook. So let's copy this and paste it over here and also export default this component. Also, let's display our addresses over here. For that, I'm gonna be pasting some of the codes. Here we go. Firstly, perfect. So again, we will be having some more content over here. So let's wrap it in a div and give some class names. Again, flex call and item center and with full. And apart from that, what we are missing? I guess we are good to go. Let's see. Let's see it in a new tab. Hooks. Oh yeah, another thing that this all the hooks you have to use it on the client side. So as server components are default in X13, you have to mark it as use client. Perfect. So this is the connected address and let's disconnect from here and reload it. Here you go. It is showing not connected and just connect it once more and reload. Here we go. And also add a bit of margin to 10 and gap of 10. Perfect. Now, uh, after use account, let's move on. Also, one more thing that use account does not only returns these two values, it returns a lot more than that. let's say connecting error status, whether it is connecting, connected, disconnected, or error is connected, which is a Boolean uh, that signifies whether a wallet is connected or not. Disconnect wallet. Basically, using this function, you can manually call this function and it will disconnect your wallet. And wallet provider signifies that which wallet provider is connected right now. Example, is it MetaMask or Wallet Connect? So yeah, these are some of the values that is returned by use account hook. Now let's move towards the use chain. Now, just like use chain, you have use account, you have to import use chain from the library. So let's just copy from here and paste it and import it. Now let's just display our current chain. Here we go. And just wrap this in a div, current chain. As I already said, that current chain is of the type chain, which is from VM. So you can get a number of variables from here. Let's say ID, name, network of the current chain. So for displaying purpose, for demo, we will just display name. So let's see. Here we go. As I am on Ethereum, it is showing current network as Ethereum. Now let's also this chain will return two parameters or values. Firstly, current chain, which signifies the current network, and supported chains. Uh, if you want to like see or access these values, then it will return these values using the use chain hook. Now let's move towards our new next hook, use balance. And this basically hook returns the account balance for the current chain or for the current connected account. So let's say I am connected on Ethereum, then it will showcase or return me the balance on the Ethereum network. If I am on Arbitrum, it will show me balance for Arbitrum. So let's try this out. I'm gonna just copying it and yeah, here it is. And use balance and address. Here we go. Yeah, so if address is not gonna be there, then 0x0. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, let's show these values on our front end, and for that, I'm gonna be pasting some of the code over here. Here we go. So this hook basically returns these four values: ether balance, which basically means the Ethereum balance of the current address, and balance which would be in way. Fetching means it is currently fetching, and error state. So let's see it live. Here we go. My balance is 1295 way, and if I want to see it in Ethereum, then uh, just a second, let's do it like this. Here we go, and ether balance, ether balance dot to string. Let's see, perfect. So you can see this is my balance in way, and this is my Ethereum balance. Let's add a bit of space over here. Yeah, perfect. No, I guess we have to like add padding or something. So yeah, this is use balance hook. And now let's move towards our last group of hooks called ENS hooks, which are self-descriptive, I would say. So let's create a new route for that. ENS hooks and page.tsx. And First, we have in this use ENS address, which will basically return the result address by taking the ENS as a parameter. So let's try this out. And yeah, I have entered wagmedev.it as my test ENS. So let's say this on our front end. Let me paste some code. Here we go. ENS address. Address. Also, this hook returns two more values, fetching and error. So let's use each of them in our UI. Uh, Address fetching and ENS address error. So let's do it like this. This will be basically, and yeah, perfect. So let's see it live. ENS hooks. Yeah, again, we have to use, and also we haven't exported this component, and we have to use client for this. Yeah, here we go. This is the ENS address for wagmedev.it. Now, similarly, let's explore the ENS avatar hook, which will basically returns the avatar link for the ENS. So let's just copy the code from here and paste it and import it, avatar. And also this hook returns two more values, fetching and error. Again, fetching will be avatar fetching and avatar error. So let's display these values. There we go, and let's import image from next. And also we will have to, okay, let's try this out first and then we'll encounter that later. Let's reload. Okay, so what this basically does that it returns the IPFS link for that, for which we have to like add hostname in next config. So let's do that. Next config. Uh, let's add this. I have added domain and in that ipfs.io. Let's save that and reload and see what happens. Here we go. We have avatar for wagmedev.it, and also let's add a bit of styling again to this. Margin top 10 again, flex call gap 10 and items center and with full. Perfect. So as you can see, we have ENS address, avatar, and let's uh, explore the last hook, which resolves ENS name from the address. So basically, it returns ENS if it exists on any address. So let's copy this and paste it in our code. Use ENS name again, ENS fetching, and let's into ENS error. And let's use this uh, over here. Perfect. Let's save it and see. As you can see, we have entered this and it has returned wagmedev.h, which is the ENS from the resolved address. So, like this way, you can use any of the hooks and also use completely customizable components as well as ready to use components. And yeah, that's all from my side. Please try this out, and if there is any issue, please open an issue or the repo. Uh, yeah, that's all. Have a great one. Bye bye.